This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. President Bush said that he plans to call on Congress to repeal the 27-year-old moratorium on offshore drilling. Drilling for oil and gas off nearly all of the American coastline has been banned over the past quarter century, in part to protect tourism and to lessen the chances of beach blackening spills. Meantime, crude supplies dropped by 1.2 million barrels to 301 million for the week ending June 13th. They've fallen a total of almost 25 million in 5 weeks. Motor gasoline supplies fell 1.2 million barrels, and distillate stocks were up 2.6 million. According to Donald Trump, oil companies are fixing the price of oil and should suffer penalties. Trump said taking punitive measures against companies reaping big profits in a capitalist society is against his nature, but the energy situation is unique. According to the Mortgage Bankers Association's weekly application survey, mortgage application volume fell 8.7% during the week that ended June 13th. And according to a Reuters poll, Americans feel that marginally better this month as they adjust to high gas prices and a faltering economy. Optimism about personal finances in the future, as well as approval ratings for U.S. President Bush and the administration's economic and foreign policies all gained slightly last month. The Royal Bank of Scotland, meantime, issued a stark warning to investors, stating that global stock and credit markets could be on the verge of a steep market sell-off as central banks have their hands tied by soaring inflation. The economic reports scheduled for Thursday include the initial jobless claims report, Philly Fed Index for June, and the May leading indicators from the Conference Board. Earnings news today, FedEx Corporation reporting a fourth quarter loss of 78 cents a share. Analysts were looking for $1.47. Morgan Stanley said quarterly earnings plunged 56%, reporting income from continuing operations of $1.03 billion or 95 cents a share. Analysts anticipated 92 cents. Goldman Sachs reporting a profit of $2.05 billion or $4.58. The analysts expected $3.42. They beat it by a large margin. Earnings on Thursday include Carnival, Actuant, Circuit City, and Pier 1 Imports, J.M. Smucker, John Wiley & Sons, as well as Sky Petroleum. Stocks in the news today, CKE Restaurants trading higher after a holder of 3.6% of the company called on the operator of Carl's Jr. and Hardee's outlets to cut operating costs and reduce the capital spending plan to improve free cash flow. H&R Block said that its board amended the bylaws to provide for a non-binding vote of holders on the pay and performance policies. Microsoft said it acquired Navic Networks to ensure efficient delivery and placement of interactive ads. And Northwest Airlines said it plans to cut capacity by 8.5% to 9.5% in that range in the fourth quarter. And that is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.